Alright, so we got a 2015 Acura RDX here. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil change indicator light. So first thing, turn the key on. Now you're going to want to go through the menu with these buttons here. So let's get right up in this. So you're going to want to first go to Customize Settings, hit Select, and then you want to go down until you get to Maintenance Info, hit Select again, and then you're going to want to go up and reset. So it says maintenance is complete, then you're going to want to cycle the key, shut it off, and then you can start it up. And there you have it. How to reset your maintenance light on an Acura RDX 2015.